Okay, Fred, I almost forgot about taking the video for you. And now my little room back here is kind of dark and my light doesn't get over here very good. It's just not enough, I guess. So anyway, let's open this end and let you watch while I turn the wheel back here. It's smooth. Everything goes up and down. Okay. I don't know what all of these things are, so I don't know what I should turn and what I shouldn't turn. And that's dusty in there. Like I said, it needs a good cleaning, and I don't know. I remember that those turn, but I don't know what they do, so I don't want to turn it unless you tell me I should. And so on and so forth. It all moves. And so on. I don't know what that is either. Anyway, and let's see. Oh, let me get down here and show you. There is the foot thingy that you press on. There's the underside of the machine. Wow, that's a lot of stuff I didn't know was exposed. And if you plug it in, let's see, get back here to plug it in. Alright, plug it in and then press this thing here. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear it, but it just sounds smooth as a whistle. Anyway, bye.